Hello guys, so nag-iyahay na dahil may photos guys, no? Tara. Nag-iyahay na may photos guys. Sus, natuma naman ang yahang pangandoy nga musakay gid siya upuan. Eroplano. Wow! Ang yahang baba, sangko sa dunggan ang katawa nga dili siya ka murag di na siya kahuwat oy, murag mo abot na gyud sa dunggan. You have to refill your alcohol. Mao na iya ha. Only 10 kilograms will limit. Ya. Masa ni iya hadir eh. Lagi timbang ah. Lagi timbang 44. Hapit na 45. Hapit na mo 45 boy. Pila? 55 lo. Sobra na. Overweight na.
44 man.
Oh, 44 niya. 55 naman na.
9 pa.
Eh, oy, 44 plus 10. 54 niya. 55 na, oh.
9 pa.
10 na lagi. Okay na na. Stop na. 9 ba, eh? 44.9 ka. Hapit mo 45. Manya, so.
It says 10.1.
That's fine?
Look, yeah, 0.1, they're not going to fit you, but hold on. See?
Yeah, that's enough na.
85.9.
Murag naam lagi ni siya, eh. Kani ba? Naam lagi ni siya. Pwede ni mo ikuan diri, oh. I-open nga mo. Expand siya. Ha?
Wala.
Ano sa din siya? Kani di ay?
Wala gini.
Ah, sundanan dahil ni siya.
1.2, you open it up with the air source.
And then?
Take out a shirt, you put it in there, and you're good to go.
Ah.
But I don't think they'll say anything
Ha?
about 0.2.
Kung moreklamo sila nga na ay lapas nga puwen, so kinanglan na kay kuhaon mo i-transfer sa imong direct.
It should be fine.
It should be
But
fine.
if they say something,
Ifs,
you just
yeah,
take out
if.
one shirt, and you put it in there. And it's
So mausad ni ako adere guys.
May ka double na lang.
Usually they're not that particular. I had one that was 0.5 over. They didn't charge me
Packing.
for it.
15 ako ah.
10.1.
Yeah, so the lotion is gonna be like 2
Or if you want
kilogram.
to add more stuff, you can.
I don't have any. I don't very heavy.
It's not
It's
that
fine.
heavy.
No, it's already heavy.
You don't have to carry it. It's got wheels.
Oh, I thought I'm gonna carry like that.
So you can add more clothes. I already paid for it.
Di naman ka ako ah. Paminaw sa kulo be. Di naman ka ako ah.
Iya ganing split gani, which means split gibahin-bahin niya ang 15 kilogram into the 3 luggages. Split.
So you each got like actually 3.5
Ah.
each.
He paid 15 kilogram, additional 15 kilogram. The problem is if you can carry like that, it's very heavy.
You don't have to carry it. It rolls. Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Kabukat. Hindi may budagan.
Sus. Mukuan manggod ni oy mo.
Hindi may budagan.
Mawa guys oh. Mukuan ba mo standby dito mga I think 1 month.
Galisod din ni dagan.
Hmm?
Galisod din ni dagan.
Sana may likid ana. It's very rough because of the wheels is not double. Wa?
Asa pwede na malapas sa
Lagi
kugtin.
no. O 10 ba ay?
Pwede na ba malapas sa kugtin? Ha? Pwede na ba malapas? Pwede na ba malapas?
Hello, eh. Karaf.
Pwede na ba malapas?
Alap ka. Ay, sig. Buang. May kaya ako na ito kay Kwartan.
Buang.
So, lotion.
Ano ni? Saan ni?
Para ginasa gipalit dito sa kanya gipalit dito sa
Hindi mo
landers.
sa patanaw.
Is that everything?
Oo man.
Hey. Give me.
Ikaw lang. Ganahan ka videohan tika. Video pa sa usa.
0.6.
Di, maglisod ko eh. Paano?
On behalf of Philippine Airlines, we wish you a pleasant flight.
Ha? Yeah. Oh.
You read the passenger briefing card. Should you wish to be reseated, please inform our cabin crew immediately. Allow us to be of service to you today. Mabuhay! Malugot namin kayong tinatanggap sa ating lipad dito sa Philippine Airlines. Aming buong pusong pasasalamat sa ating mabuhay milers sa patuloy na pagtangkilik sa ating flag carrier. Hinihiling namin sa lahat ng ating mga pasahero na manatili lamang sa kanilang idinatdang upuan sa kabuuan.
We expect to depart as soon as all ground preparations are completed. And estimate flight will be at 4:35 this afternoon. Climb time is approximately 1 hour. Be cruising to our assigned altitude of 32,000 feet. The turbulence during the flight. We will update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination.
Ay, pagsuka niya. Wala ba na ito?
Negros.
Ha?
Negros.
Negras? Wala ko kita.
Chocolate rings. Chocolate rings. Ay, negros. Ay, nasa negros. Negros din.
you go. That's mine.
Just outside.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so no problem.
We are not decided right now. So anyway, there's.
Yeah, I'm not even sure what the room looks like.
But the story is a nice. It's a nice resort. Definitely, you paid a lot of money. Boss, good evening. Drop, sir. Drop.